Welcome back to How It's Designed, and we're going to continue our Rolls-Royce Phantom tutorial. If you like seeing cars and complex surfaces being designed, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be doing a bunch more cars and other SolidWorks tutorials. So continuing, we've got our next boundary surface here on the exterior shell. We're going to add this boundary from sketch 45. Which, if you do the normal view, we're going to have to turn on our original planes. So that we can select our edges. Let's go ahead and turn on that way we can see our lines. We're gonna add some split lines for the headlines, as you can see here. So on the front plane, we're gonna add this diagonal line here, split it through that surface. Delete some of face 1. We're going to add another sketch on our front plane for the headlight outline, and split it again using the split line feature. I'll do a tutorial on the split line. Delete our face in here to give it a more sharper fold in surface. So we're just selecting our edges here. And filling in around here on the edges. Now we have our surface extend, which you'll see here. We're going to extend this edge 30 millimeters. Inside here. And we're going to trim some back, have a back contour. And we can finally have our cutout for the headlight once we have our sketch for the outline of it on our front plane using the blueprint, and delete that face. So it's starting to, you can see it's starting to look like the Phantom classic front. Add some minor trims. Getting rid of some of the interior stuff. Smooth it out where it overlaps. That way we have a clean, smooth surface. See right here, that purple. One more trim. Then we're gonna knit it together. The entire surface so far, all the features, stitch it up. Boom.